Integrating Trello with Discord is a straightforward process that I'll guide you through. To start, open any web browser on your device and navigate to the website zapier.com. Here, you can sign up for a free account if you don't have one already. Once logged in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard. Click on Create Zap to begin the integration setup. Next, select a trigger by searching for Trello and choosing an event, such as New Card. Follow the prompts to sign into your Trello account and select the board and list you want to monitor for new cards. After setting up the trigger, it's time to define the action. Search for Discord and choose an event, like Send Channel Message. Sign into your Discord account and select the server and channel where you want notifications to appear. Compose the message you want to send to Discord when a new card is added to Trello. You can customize the content and even include variables like the card's name and description. Once everything looks good, test the integration and publish it. Now, whenever a new card is added to your specified Trello list, a message will automatically be sent to the designated Discord channel, keeping your team informed and connected.